I would kill grandma. It was like to another to here with grandma and to play I am cat, but I have a video in storage that is I am security. If you want me to post that video, I will post that video. Not gonna be like Playboy Cardi with this stuff. Why's my eye twitching? My eye been twitching. Alright. So make sure you like and subscribe. And also please check out my other videos like the You Know Miles video. The fuck did you just say? And looks like we're getting added 10 seconds. You know how I pause when it throws ads. So, good idea. I say glitching. It's like my eye twitching. I shouldn't do this. This knife is gonna come real in handy. Grandma, you're gay. What the flip? Alright, so we're here. We also have grandma right here. Hi, grandma. I think I killed grandma. Alright, cooking with cat, cooking with cat, cooking with cat, cooking with cat. Grandma, where's the frying pan? Cooking with cat, cooking with cat, cooking with cat. Is this a tomato? Right. Yeah, this is tomato. And also, why is it glitching? Like, bro, do y'all see my screen? Is my phone about to shut down? Hey, grandma. Ah, shoot. This stuff is dirty. And what the flip? I don't care about Facebook. Cooking with cat, cooking with cat. Jalapeno! So here in cooking with cat is we're also gonna shoot. Grab some hot dogs. Thank you. Grandma, I did not do nothing. Cooking with cat is a we're also gonna and what the flip, I do not care about Facebook. I already have Facebook, you musty crusty Crap, get on the stove. Alright, finally. Alright, so... Grandma, are you checking on me? I'm currently cooking. Alright. Grandma, can you get out of here? Before I play... Just waking up and... Wait, hold on. Alright, let's turn this thing off. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Grandma, you don't know nothing. Ah, shoot. I said you don't know nothing. Oh, crap, I miss. Grandma! Grandma, can you pick me up? Please, uppy. Up, up. Up, up. And ups. Please. Oh. I just threw away freaking... Oh, I just threw a pepper at her. Right. Wake up, little boy. Alright. I know what I'm gonna do today. I got murder on my mind. The yellow tape. Grandma, I'm gonna stab you. Yeah. Yeah, that's what you get, Grandma. Yeah. You think you can do that to me? Bang my head with a freaking frying pan? Let go. See what happens. Grandma? 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 Guys, I killed Grandma. Oh! Haha. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. I'm knocking down these. Yeah, I'm knocking down. I'm a bad cat. Yeah, you old. Yeah, you old woman. Be quiet. I'm speaking German. Like, I am Adolf Hitler. Screw you, Grandma. Cause you ain't tall enough like me. Because I'm breaking everything here. I'm knocking down. God dang. Yeah, I'm knocking down everything. Yeah, try to stop me, girl. Try to stop me, old woman. Oh my god. Dinner! Oh man. You are so much in trouble. Yeah, Grandma. You don't like loud noises.
Have you folded the clothes on your bed yet? On your couch?
I'm currently recording.
Okay, you're gonna get in trouble if you don't.
I'm gonna do the dishes and after I'm done and no mercy. Get hot, and you will. Ooh, be in my tummy. Yes, you will. Oh, and along with some vegetables, you'd be great. Yeah, we're gonna get carrot. Yeah. And also, and what the flip just happened. You'd be so good. Can't wait to start making some more stuff. Ooh. Grandma. Grandma, I cooked you lunch, Grandma. I cooked you something. So, eat it. Oh, I'm sorry. Gosh, I'll be right back, Grandma. Why's your grandma so mad? It ain't my fault that she got dementia. I don't know what my brother's playing. Grandma, they have some flavor. Liz, what are you playing? Ugh. Are you gonna get mad now? Well,
What?
I'm not talking to you.
I want it. I want it.
Hitchell, are you mad at me? What did you just hit? Meow. Meow. Meow.
Right first. Your game first up.
Grandma, I can explain. I can explain.
It's the Thuggish Ruggish Bone.
This.
Bone. Yes. Yes. Caleb, yes.
What? I'm not talking to you. I'm recording a video.
Stop screaming at me. I ain't screaming at you. I've been nice. Stop screaming at me, because I will scream back. Don't irritate me. Trying to yell at me like, boy, what?
You gotta play it. You can't even. She can't even reach up here. Where's Grandma's room? I always wondered that. I'm about to make a drop on you, boy. Yeah.
It's the Thuggish Ruggish Bone. It's the Thuggish Ruggish Bone. It's the Thuggish Ruggish Bone.
Just got. You just got dropped, Grandma.
Down, bang, bang.
Yeah, Grandma. Yeah. Yeah. Dang, Grandma. Grandma. Alright. You should be mad at me because you got a potato to your face. You did. Yeah, I'm destroying your entire. Yeah, destroying this entire kitchen. Yeah, boy. Ew. Surprise.
Yeah, but I also have like multiple different LED things. Like I have like darker pants,
Surprise.
shirts, stuff like that.
Yeah, with your dementia.
Because
With your dementia.
a long sleeve?
So.
No. They will give us sweaters in there.
Yeah.
No, I think because you said
Grandma,
you needed polo,
I'm not a-
polo shirt like that. The rest are just off.
I can't believe that I have Grandma right here.
You said what?
Alexa, turn off one. I got into something to make it a little better. I have to make it better. I put it over if you want.
Yeah, your
What are you doing? What are you doing today? I'm sorry.
yeah, your old self will
I can go observe and write stuff down.
go perfectly.
Uh,
Yo, is that Squidward's house? That's fire.
If I do this, it goes
What up here, boy?
the lowest test rate, so I'm gonna do it for my exam next semester.
Because you can't even walk up the stairs. Yeah, you're being dragged by a cat. That's crazy, Grandma.
to do something fun, I guess. I'm over here cleaning out cabinets.
Oh, no. Let's
Right.
actually have this literally sit there. Like, I can't be in the because I have to
I have to clean the cabinets out. I have to clean the cabinets out and match the lids if they don't have a lid.
Ugh.
Which we have literally our cabinets. It's this, and it goes to the very back corner of our thing, and then it goes across here. So basically, I'm packed in for the rest of the day. And I literally, I feel so tired. I feel so mentally drained. I literally have not slept. I went home and I took literally a 5-minute nap. I cannot sleep. I've been able to sleep in a good minute. That's what I'm saying. My sleeping is so bad. I can't
Hi,
take my sleep
Grandma.
medicine anymore because the freaking thing, people took it off me. So now I'm just doing stuff because I have to. Jackie said if I don't do this, I'm not allowed to go on the cruise. So I'm trying to do all
Get
this
mad at me.
before
I
tomorrow, so
dare
can go
you.
to the cruise. I don't even know what's going on. But they just live right around.
You better drag yourself over here, Ash. You better get dragged by a cat again.
Yeah.
You hear my Ariana Grande?
Oh, I hear. Oh, when I got here, I cleaned for about 30 minutes of liquidy dog poop.
Oh. Oh, Grandma.
Because I
You be
literally would take like
perfect up here. Just dropped her. Where is she? Yeah, cool. Screw you, Grandma. I kissed this cat. Yo, how do you see me?
Can you hear me now, or am I still like on down?
Yo, get this.
Am I here, or am I turned down a little bit still?
What? Grandma?
Alright, we're still gonna have to listen to it. But yeah, so like I have
Whoa. Man, why do you got these these whack
get all the stuff and finally put the rest of the stuff away. If I don't,
wacky
I'm gonna go to the cruise, I'll buy a single outfit pack.
dishes
They're in the
right here,
my suitcase still in the shoes.
right where I
And freaking the reason why I took
Now
so
get
long-
ready to go.
What?
Ready to go.
Where?
I'm gonna break these.
Nigga, I said get ready to go because that's what parents told me to tell y'all. So
Well,
I
I'm telling you I'm not doing it.
Then I'll go tell them you're not bitten. Fuck these eyebrows.
I'm gonna break.
No, that's Kristen with his mean stuff.
When they get here, they're ready to go.
Are they here already?
When they get here, they're ready to go, which means they're not here.
Why are you so sassy?
Golly. I said they're gonna go, you gonna stick up out them with fucking 2 eyebrows. pointing
Oh.
at you,
Don't piss me off.
You pissed me off.
Don't
bro.
piss me off.
Oh,
You're not gonna do nothing like that.
Don't piss me
You're not gonna do nothing.
I know you
You're not gonna do
Shut
nothing.
up.
You're not gonna do nothing.
Johnny, they got you right
You're
there.
not
Shut
gonna
up.
do nothing. No.
You shut up. You ain't gonna do that either.
You're not gonna do nothing.
I know what
alright,
you ain't gonna do.
Grandma,
Brush
just
that
knock me
nappy
out
head.
already. I'm sorry.
I know what you ain't gonna do. Not brush that nappy head.
You think your hair curly?
My
Bing
hair is
bong.
curly. Have you not seen it?
I'm sleepy.
You think
Your curl, eye curls are better than your curl.
You're capping.
You don't even have curls.
Turn the light on.
Look at your hair, bro. Look at your hair. Look at your hair. Look at your hair. Shut up. Shut up.
Yeah, my brothers are
That's what Jackie's talking about. Give me my shit. What was Jackie talking about?
Y'all stop cussing because I'm still recording a video. Y'all are just cussing for no reason. Alright,
Give me my stuff.
alright, make sure y'all like and subscribe, and also Grandma Screw you. I'm gonna watch TV.
You cracked it even more. Thank you.
How the hell was that me?
It wasn't up here.
I swear to God, that's
No, it has not.
I swear to God,
It has been right here only. You smacked my shit and cracked the rest of it.
How you hear him?
Yes. Damn. You went way
Yeah,
too fucking much.
He was back at the end.
Oh,
Is that a dog?
Fucking-
Great TV. Is that a dog? Grandma, I can explain.
Lucy, come on. Hey, come on.
You're already been outside.
Grandma.
Yeah, when I got here and I was done cleaning all the pets while y'all were sleeping.
What are you talking about while we were sleeping?
While y'all were all home doing nothing.
Thank you.
I did the pets.
Isn't that your chore?
Not letting the pets out, no.
You can't brag about doing the pets because of your job.
I'm not bragging about doing it. I'm telling you. I'm informing
And
you.
the pets were let out what?
Okay.
2
I'm
hours ago?
done. I'm done talking.
Alright, so don't try
Grandma.
to
No, bro, stop talking to me. You're
I'm
standing
better
right
than
now.
you, I'm better than you, I'm better than you, I'm better.
You're definitely not it.
I think that's domestic abuse. I need to wake up. Finally. Alright. Hi, Grandma. I'm gonna be good this time. I'm gonna be good this time. Yeah, I'm gonna be good. I promised y'all that I would be a good cat, but I found the catnip. Meow! Alright, if y'all want more videos like this, hit that like button. And what the flip? Hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button and bye!